Welcome to my YouTube channel, Desert Rose Psyche. A channel that educates on psychology, purposeful living, personal growth, self-development, brain function, life balance, and all issues discussed in Islamic point of view. Today my first video will be about the reason this channel was started, who I am, what I expect for the future of this channel. The reason this channel was started: to help those who are struggling with change, to each individual how to understand their pain, to provide help to those with psychological questions, to promote positivity on YouTube platform and the world, and so much more. My name is Ali Hassan. I am 22-year-old. I am a student, teacher, writer, spiritual, believe in a God, hard worker, dedicated. I love meditation, sitting alone, and self-help. What I expect for the future of this channel: reach and hopefully change many lives, develop relationship and connection with people all over the world. Thank you so much for watching today. Please be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe.